Good morning, traders. It is Saturday, June 17th, 2023. I'm going to get straight to the point on this video. It's going to be relatively brief or shorter than my last ones. SPY's target is 444.86. On Thursday, a couple days ago, we got to 443.90. 444.86 is the target SPY must meet mathematically in order for the market maker to go even higher later on. Not necessarily this week. Meaning this week, and I'm thinking Tuesday or Wednesday, it's going to finally pop up and hit that 444.86. And then we're going to retrace. Yes. 444.86 is the bull bar. We almost got there on Thursday. 443.90 on Thursday. Okay? This tweet is telling week one. This is a weekly chart. Week one was the breakout from that monthly band. Remember a couple episodes ago I talked about those monthly bands? The secret band. This is the breakout leg. This is just intermediate. This is this week. We almost got to the target. Wick down to create the illusion that that's the top. But I think Tuesday and or Wednesday, it's going to pop up one more time. And it's going to trick the bulls into thinking, oh my God, we're on now week 4 of this run. It's probably going to go above 444, maybe hit 445-ish, right? Just enough to make the bulls think, oh yeah, it's game on now. Then I think that's when the pullback happens. But mathematically, 444.86 is the absolute numeric line. It has to hit to prove it's going to go higher. Because earlier in the week, the 15th, what would that have been? Thursday? Yeah, it was Thursday. I said that it was 442.02. But as we know, it kept going. So that's what made me reassess. I'm like, well, then where's your real target? Okay? So, now, okay, so this is the tweet that I showed you a couple moments ago, right? 1, 2, 3. This is the week of December 27th. January all-time highs. This is the week of January 2nd. Yeah, January 3rd. January 3rd. 3 and 4. 3 in December 27th is the same as 3 of this week. See that? Wick down. Next week, right? Open, high, low, close. Right? It's going to do that. Okay? That's what it's going to do. Mark my words. All right? Because I have been speaking about these bull bars. You know. I'll show you in a second. In a few moments. Now, did you also know that it came to my attention? Thank you, Cam, on Twitter. He called out that QQQs almost hit the March highs. March high is 371.83. Q's got to 371.77. 6 cents short of the March high. I remember from a couple episodes ago, I said that SPY's end of year target is the March high. 460. 462 exactly. Okay? 462 and some change. Q's almost got there this week. And as I've been saying, and it's generally known, the Qs are a leading indicator of SPY. And I'll take that further. SPY is a leading indicator of futures, ironically. Laggards, futures laggards. Okay? Now, calling this to your attention because I want to show you the next slide. Last Friday, a week before yesterday, at the close of Friday, you can kind of see it. Here, let's see. Right here. Yeah, this is Friday, June 9th. It's playing possum. It was wedging, 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 wedging. It's playing possum. But I called out that 430, 22, 430, 30 bull bars were already taken. Right here, right here. Sunday night futures should be up. We all know what happened this past Sunday. We all know what happened this past week. Okay? I'm showing this tweet for you for a reason. So you just know I'm not just making stuff up. Oh, that I see what I want to see. Okay? I called this out last Friday, and we all know what happened. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay? We all know what happened. So this is last Friday. This is this Friday. Yesterday. Wedge again. Under our channel line. See that little green check? The green check mark? See that little red candle right there? Ever so little red candle right there. I'm circling it right now. See that? What do I got to say about that? The green check mark over that tiny red candle, not green candle, red candle, is market maker's hint. It's going up. All right? I've said this in previous tweets. I have found, surprisingly, I've said this in previous tweets. The hint that it's going up is not always a green candle. It's red, too. That's what's going to boggle your mind if you see what I see. Okay? So, now, anytime you do a wedge under a channel, what does that mean? That's consolidation. Okay? So, there you have it. Yeah, here's what I talk about the Friday 6-9. When I said it was a wedge that broke out into another wedge on Sunday night. That Sunday night wedge broke out to the upside on Monday. Okay? So there you have it. That's what I wanted to show. Now, let's go to the history books encyclopedia. This is February 2nd, February 16th. Obviously, lower highs. Look at the MACD. Lower high, lower high, high, lower high, lower high, lower low, right? Lower low, lower low, lower low. Lower highs and lower lows from February 2nd to February 16th. That explains the fall, right? That explains this. Okay. August 16th, 2021. Up there, remember that? These are days. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 days, whatever. A trading week. A trading week before. Look at that. Bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence. You can say that's bearish divergence because it never went below the zero line. Okay? Get that in your heads, right? Okay, so just showed you February 2nd to February 16th. Lower highs, lower lows on the MACD. And then now you see bearish divergence on August 16th, 2022. Okay? This is now SPY. Guys, we're making highs, higher highs on the MACD. We're not making lower lows on the MACD. It's not ready to go down. If you look at history and the raw data that I just showed you, that's why I like to prime the pump before I just say it, make my point, so that I can't be refuted. It's not going to go down yet. Yet. I think that time's coming. As soon as it hits that 444 bull bar. Not yet. Everybody, it's easy to think that happened Thursday, that's the high. It's easy to think that. But I'm telling you, this data does not suggest the market maker is ready to tear it all down. There you have it. Okay, I love to call out buffoonery. That is Mr. Carter Worth. This is why I say, guys, stop watching the media and stop quoting to me your concerns about what you think is going to be bad news. Just stop doing that. If you want to make fun of them with me, that's fine with me because I make fun of them too. But I'm really not interested in hearing about somebody else's concerns or opinions on how they're interpreting the news or about what they heard from CNBC, and then they go parrot that to me on Twitter. It's going to be some bad news. I don't know. I see a crash. Okay? Homie the Clown here, Chartmaster Carter Worth, last winter called for S&P 3300. How'd that prediction go? Okay? Oh, yes. Heard there was a sequel to Top Gun Maverick coming out. The theme song, however, does sound a little bit different. Take my cash away, not my breath away. It's for loving memory, you hooligan bears. You know I'm never going to let you live it down. And once again, yes, so this is earlier in the week. When you dip, I dip, then rip. And yes, oh yes. I'm hearing more about it again. What did I tell you guys about stop comparing 2023 to 2000.com to 2008 to 1979 Paul Volcker, 1929 crash, nothing to do with each other ever. So stop comparing the AI gold rush to the dot-com boom. As I point out here, why? Because the dot-com are stupid humans. YoMama.com. Petsamillion.com. Who cares? Everyone who had a stupid idea could have done something. AI are machines. AI is who we are trading against every day, called the market maker. That's artificial intelligence. This is not just a gold rush like the dot-com era. This era is not driven by humans. This era is driven by technology and machines, not by some stupid dot-com website in 2000. So stop with that again. Okay, I'm just going to show you a few tweets throughout the week. I can't be getting it intraday. That's too much. The point of this tweet, this is back on Monday. I draw out these bull bars ahead of time in the morning. And I tweet it out. Look for these bars. If the market can hit the bars, it's going higher. Plain and simple. That's the long and short of it. I still most definitely look at EMA and SMA and, EMA 50 right here, red line, SMA 20, and this is the EMA 9. I have a liking for that line too. Okay? But I don't ever really call out EMA 9. I just have it here for display to give me an idea. Okay? So, this is the bull bars that I tweet them out every day. So I've shifted my focus away from emphasizing EMA 50 and SMA 20, which I still do. But I shift more focus to these bull bars. As you will see, these bull bars are respected. Look at all these pivot points. Here's the close, here's the low, right? Look at this example. Stop 1 penny short of 431.99. 1 penny short. Okay? This is how precise I'm getting in my analysis. I'm not just talking about up and down and backtesting EMA 50 and stuff like that anymore. I'm getting down to the penny. To the penny on these bars. Okay? Oh yeah. So, I'm taking my analysis to a totally different level and interpretation of how the market's going to move or lack thereof. Okay? Just like I came up with that bull bar, new prediction of SPY's true target at 444. 444. Easy number to remember. Okay? Now, this is just a reminder tweet, guys. A reminder tweet. You don't short the market when you hit major milestones like, oh, the August 19th gap. Short it. Oh, the February 2nd high at 418.31. Short it. Oh, well, maybe we should short it at 431.73, the August 16th peak. How'd that work out for you guys? There's always huge gaps. You never short at these major milestones. You have to, it's going to overshoot it by a significant amount, as it's done in the past, and guess what? As it's doing now. What's the distance between the August 16th peak, 431.73, and how high we got to this past week on Thursday? See what I mean? We got up to 443. We went up another 12 points from the August 16th peak. That's why you never short at these peaks, because the market maker, I'm going to say this again, the market maker knows that you know where the peaks are. Because the market maker gave you that point. I want to tell you a funny story. I'm a proud owner of chinchillas, right? It's funny when you watch them, when you give them raisins and stuff. They love raisins. When you give them a raisin, oh, they'll come up to you and whatever. But when they take it from you, they run away. And I laugh at them because I'm like, why are you running away? Because they run away instinctively because they're afraid that you're going to take the food away from them. But it's funny because I say, you know what? Why are you running away? Because I gave you the raisin. Why would I give you the raisin only to take it back? That's exactly what the market maker's doing to you guys. I gave you that data point to look at. Why would I short? Why would I go down now? Once I hit that data point? And guess what? It didn't do it. SPY went up to 443 after taking the August 16th peak. And I contend it's not even over yet. We're going to 444. Then it's over. Temporarily. Not the top. That's not the top. It's just temporarily over. Okay. This is just a SPY futures. It's on Monday. I look at the 1 hour chart. I'm telling you guys need to start tracking to this. The MACD plus 10 line. You go over that plus 10 line on the 1 hour futures chart. You go over that plus 10 line on the MACD, you're going higher. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You're going higher. 100% of the time. 100% of the time, this has been accurate. 100%. Okay, again, this is just to show you, what day was this? Tuesday, 13th. Tuesday. I drew out these bull bars in the morning, guys. Okay? Look at the bull bars. How they touch it. Boop, 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 boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. You guys, this is accurate stuff. Down to the penny. Down to the penny. Down to the penny. And it's not that I'm over here drawing all kinds of lines all over the place. Why do I have gaps in between here that I just ignore? You know, I have gaps in here. I have gaps in here. But yet the market maker found it fit to say, oh, yeah, I agree with that line. 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 Huh. Wonder how that works. Okay? So, if I'm right about these lines, something tells me I'm right about that 444 line. Something tells me I'm right. Okay? I'm just showing you this because I'm not just making this stuff up as I go. I draw these lines out before the market opens. I say, watch for these lines. You hit these lines, you're going up. Okay? Now, okay, this is Wednesday FOMC. Wednesday FOMC. Okay. This is 2 p.m. right here. This was the drop. But notice that this came up, made a higher high than the previous. We'll just call this a high. It's really a low if you're coming at it from this perspective. But this is a data point. This is some kind of high, right? Because I can argue this is a higher high, higher low than this. Okay, let's just call that a high. Doesn't matter. This is higher than that. That's the point. That's the point. Okay. Remember June high? Remember June 2021? I'm sorry, 2022. June 2022 high. August 2022 high. And then it goes down. It can go down, down, down into October. And then what happened? We all know what happened on Thursday. Okay? As soon as I saw this, June, equivalent to June, August, boop, went long. Let's go. It's going back up. And that's what happened on Thursday. This is on Thursday. Like I tweeted here, you guys, I'm not consistently at my desk, but I drew out the bull bars. It just smashed through all of them. Smashed through all of them. This is, you guys, this is opening bell. You guys know this. I don't have to rehash the whole day for you. You guys know what happened. I drew all these out ahead of time. Bam! I was like, uh-oh. That's right. Okay? Now, this is the tweet I just showed you. Equivalent to June, August. June, August, which is June, August, October, up. This is Friday, guys. Oh, wait. Yeah, yep. This is Friday. June, August. This is, we all know what happened on Friday. It went down, 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 down. But I will contend to you, when we come back on Tuesday, Monday's a holiday, when we come back on Tuesday, this move's going to go up. Look at the charts, guys. It's the same this is the same pattern. I remember patterns, guys. I remember patterns. Even the charting prodigy, the great Ron Walker, can't hang with me on chart patterns. Oh, I remember patterns. I remember patterns like nobody's business. Not even the chart pattern trader, the filter of FUD, the doctor of dump and pump can hang with me. And that's all I've got for you guys. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give real-time tweets as much as I can, depending on how busy I am, but I'm getting better and better at it this week. And don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you're trading. It helps you get in the right state of mind, helps you get in the right flow state. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 00, signing off.